So if we manage to break a 164,962, that looks like a buy confirmation. Because for now, there's no trade for EJ. The same way there's no trade for EA. There's no trade for Euro AUD. There's no trade for Euro JPY. But if you want to trade it, it's okay. You can do whatever you want to do. But you see, let's look at a broader picture. And you look at it from a weekly perspective. On the weekly perspective, EJ is bullish. Starting from 2019, we have had an upswing, and from 2020, Euro kept appreciating against the Japanese yen, and it has kept that pace. So it's all we are looking for is a bullish continuation. We're looking for a reason for that. I will have series of consolidation on this roof, so it remain priced on technical to continue on its path. And if we have a strong economic data print, EJ could come to this roof. I know it's looking too much. It's looking too much of a supply roof, but there's a probability that price will come there. And another place worthy of note is there is a break of structure at this level. Let's see what it looks like on a weekly time frame. Because now I have a buy confirmation for on a weekly time frame from that structure. So we have here as a supply roof, break of a supply roof, price returns a demand floor. Break of a demand floor, return as a supply roof 1, supply roof 2, supply roof 3, supply roof 4, break of a supply run on demand, and Euro is buying. Yes, Euro AUD is buying. So on a buy. So sorry about that. So look for an opportunity if you can find. If you cannot find, you forget about it. The Euro AUD is on a buy after that breakout. Beautiful structure on the weekly time frame. Come on. Thank goodness we were able to switch to higher time frame. Otherwise, on a lower time frame, there's no way you're going to see that structure. You can't see it on a lower time frame. So let's see how it reacts at 164,962. Break of that level, then you add more position and go long. Yes. See, since May, after we broke, we came back, retested that structure. In fact, we broke out from that structure officially on April, and we came back. Euro JPY is a buy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there is a buy confirmation for Euro JPY, and one of the things we are going to look at is the 10-year bond yield. Euro 10-year bond yield is at 3.05, and Japan is 1.32. So if you're looking at interest rate differential, it's 2.40 in favor of euro. You see, the Japan policy rate remains near zero. And although we are worried about their 10-year bond not really pushing very well, not really pushing very well. So oftentimes when we talk of carry trade, is a practice that refers to borrowing from a currency with a low interest rate, such as JPY, and invest in a high yielding currency bond yield like euro. profiting from the interest rate differential, which is exactly why we are seeing a potential swing in euro very soon. And a breakout from that structure will most likely entertain this area. So I think this week remains bullish for Eurojpy. So look for a buy opportunity and keying into that sentiment. The long-term direction is bullish. The long term is bullish. So, and then when we looked at the 10-year bond yield, of course, Euro 10-year bond yield is way more out here, far from and better than Japan 10-year bond yield. So as a carry trader, I'm going long, borrow money from Japan and invest in Euro. That's what I'm going to do. I think we're done with this. The trade is very clear. I've gotten the structure already. So there's no need to waste my time here. There's no need to waste my time. And there are other supporting evidence for a buy from this level on the weekly time frame. You see, we had this kind of structure in BTC. When I sent a free analysis on BTC, we got similar structure like this. So on the weekly time frame, you have a supporting hand. After a break of structure, price have formed a W structure. Break of the neckline of the W structure. Eurojpy bullish confirmation. EJ buy family. Look for an opportunity.